This is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to begin, you will need to enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then find the nearby share shortcut amongst the control panel tiles. Here it is in my case. Then touch and hold that its icon. In order to activate the feature, you gotta simply toggle on this switch. Then you can rename the device if you want to. You can also make further configurations such as manage the device visibility or change the data mode that will be utilized for the file transfer. Now everything is set up and ready to be used, so I will, for example, share the screenshot or try sending it with or through the nearby share and see how well it performs. Ready, so I should switch the visibility mode to everyone, so my Vivo appears over here. Then I'll send it the connection request onwards. Once the dialog window appears, I'll also accept the connection request at the receiver's end, and now simply wait for the file to be transferred. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.